So, you have a new kind of math for me? Yes, sir, I do. It's called calculus. Calculus? I hate it already. Really? You haven't even heard of it yet. I know, but I imagine that's what future students are going to say, so I'm just preparing you for it now. Oh, okay. So tell me how this subject would start. Well, it's called limit existence theorem, which requires the limit of x from a to the right to equal the limit of x from a to the left and f of a. Well, what happens if one of those two values don't equal each other? I don't know. Oh, did you not do the proofs for them yet? No, we're just going to say it's DNE and just move on from there. Oh, okay. So next we're just going to go through just a bunch of theorems. And what will those be called? IVT, EVT, MVT, and Rolle's theorem. Shouldn't we have them all have different names? It might be hard to memorize them if they're all named so similarly. Well, I did think about that and then I realized. I don't care. Oh, okay. So what are the actual theorems? Well, IVT is basically if the function is continuous, every x value is guaranteed to have a y value. Oh, okay. So what are the actual theorems? EVT says that a closed continuous function has to have a maximum and a minimum value. MVT says that f prime of a equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Okay, but why though? Because? Stop. That works. And what about Rolle's? Basically, the derivative will just have to equal 0 at some point. Yeah, you keep saying that word, derivative, but what's it even mean? That's not a real word. Basically, that you just make the exponent a coefficient and subtract the exponent by 1. That's not so bad. Well, except for a few scenarios I have here. Natural logs, if it has a base of e, the power is an exponent. Any of the trig signs, there's also a bunch of rules with division, multiplication, and if it has a fraction with a function on a bottom. You just listed almost every scenario, though. Yeah. Oh, okay, I get it. You're just pure evil. Yeah, and sometimes I'll just make them do it backwards and call it an integral. Would that be even harder for them to do, though? Actually, it'll be super easy. Barely an inconvenience. Oh, really? Yeah, all I have to do is add 1 to the exponent and then divide by that new number. Stop. Well, I'm impressed. It sounds like you'll be very helpful to scientists. I'll roll this out right away. Great to hear, sir. It's 230 years from now. What?